Hello, welcome to Microsoft Word Basics. In this video, you will learn how to create a document, edit a document, insert images, and upload your document to Canvas. Everyone in Pinellas County has two versions of Word, one that is the desktop application and the other is your online version. Today we're going to be using the desktop application. And you can find that by clicking in the bottom left corner on your Windows icon and searching for it alphabetically, or simply clicking into the search bar and start typing the word Word and then open. And a window with a blank document ready for you to click on will pop open. Click the blank document. I'll make that full screen, and now I have a blank document ready to start creating and writing whatever the project is that I'm beginning to work on. I've popped over to a document that I had started just to be able to show you some of the tools here easily. And across the top is the first place to look, and these are known as the word ribbons. And as I click on them, they open with different options and different features to use. The majority of your time will be spent here in the home ribbon. And if you like to keep this open so that doesn't open and close each time you click it, you can move over to the right and pin the ribbon with this push pin. So I'm going to click the little push pin, and now these tools will remain open as I'm trying to create my document. So I have a title and I have an image and I have a little bit of text. And you'll want to make sure your text is something basic. You want to be able to create a document and send it and share it with whoever you're sharing it with, that they actually can read it and open it in the same format that you intended. So lots of fonts in here. That's a nice feature, but just because you have them there doesn't mean you should use them all. Times New Roman, Calibri, Arial, those are the most popular ones to be creating sort of professional documents. Font size 12 is the standard. Anything smaller than that gets a little difficult to read. Titles can obviously be bigger. So I have typed some text, and I've clicked my title over here to make it a little bit bigger. You have lots of options in that as well. If you don't like it, I'm going to simply hit the back arrow and put it back to the way I had it. You can undo things with that undo arrow. Moving down with your text, if you highlight them, you have your shortcut tools that are pretty much just a repeat of what's up here, only maybe a fewer options. But here you can also highlight and move over to centering, or start to put some bullet points, creating your outline of however you wanted your document to look. So lots of options there on that home tab. And the next one I wanted to talk about is the insert tab. When I click on insert, it changes to the new insert ribbon. And I have options here to add a table to my document if I choose. I choose the number of columns and rows, or if I need to add a picture from my desktop, it takes me out to my desktop to add a picture quickly. If I want an online picture, I don't have one ready to go, it takes me out to Bing where I can search for a picture. These are Creative Commons, so they're free for you to use. So I'll click on one and then make sure it's checked, insert, and now it pops right onto my document, resize it to where I need it, use all the tools at the top to wrap my text or align it, different features there at the top in that insert person. If I don't want it, again, back it out, just put it back to the way it was. That's an easy button to use. Once you have a little bit of text in the body of your document, you'll start to notice that some of the words are underlined in red, and that is usually when they are misspelled. So I can right-click on those words, and it gives me a really quick and easy way to fix that. Spell check, and then I'll look down and I see some words that are double underlined in blue. That's usually some sort of a grammar or punctuation error. So I will right-click on that one as well. Oops. And it gives me the option to correct that grammar and add the comma in this case. So when I have all of my text completed and my document is ready to go, I've done my spell check, I'm going to go back to my File tab to save. Click on File. The first time I will hit Save As. I'm going to choose this PC for this example. I've titled it Sample Word Doc, and now it's going to my document, so I want to make sure it's going to my desktop, so I'm going to check that location first, and then I'm going to hit Save. And now I should have a document on my desktop that says Sample Word Doc. So now it's ready to take it to Canvas. So I'm going to click Open my Canvas course, and I am in as a student. And here is the assignment that my teacher has sent. It says upload a Word document. So click on the assignment. And then the first thing I need to do, and I put those directions here, is click the Submit button, which is a little counterintuitive because it doesn't look like I've done anything yet for this particular assignment, but I need to go get that Word document on my desktop, and this is how you do it. So you click Submit, and then a window opens that allows me to choose the file. So here I will hit Choose File, go out to my desktop, and find that sample Word doc on my desktop, and open. Now notice it came in here next to the Choose File. I click Submit, and now I am sending that Word document, little celebration. And if I need to redo it or make some edits after, that's fine. You can simply click Resubmit. So in the last few minutes watching, I hope you've learned to create a Word document, do some editing on your Word document, insert an image into your document, and then upload your work to your Canvas course. Thank you for watching.